Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are third year computer engineering students from Division B representing Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under project based learning, myself Priyanka Gavankar and my team members Parimal Bhosle and Prathamesh Mane have completed a project on website on home decor under the guidance of Professor Prasad Kulkarni. So the aim of our project is user can see all the decor products like tables, bed, chair, lamp and so many things. Easy online order for user's product. User can give feedback form and contact us easily. User's record is stored safely in our database and this is a user-friendly website. Home Decor is a great project website. It refers to the art and science of making an internal and external space more attractive and functionally useful for its residents. It is used for decorating your home with various designer elements such as color, style of furniture, floor design, etc. This website is designed for interior design for decorating homes and offices. Applications of this website could be it is user-friendly website for buying home decor products. You can explore more interior design things through website. No complications in buying these products. So these are some of the architect of our website. Of home decor. You can find your various slideshows images. Here is the login section. You can see your various tabs like portfolio, living, bedding, shop and contact. In portfolio you will find all the images. In living tab you will find all the requirements in living room such as chairs, table, wallpapers, lamps. So you can see this. You can select one product and you can fill out this form to buy the product. Continue to checkout and your order will be booked. Similarly, in bedding you will find all the beds. Same process has to be done. In this contact form, you are supposed to give the contact. You have to give the feedback. And you will find out this message. You will see this message. So this is it about home decor website. Next time I'll conclude. Our website provides reliable and easy approach to all users. User can buy all type of home decor products in very cheap rate easily from our website. And also we can see their comments and feedback and conclude whether it fulfills user requirements or not. We would like to thank our guide Prasad Kulkarni sir for their suggestions about our project. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.